Holidays are coming and I have a new holiday season box by Vettsy. Also, it's time to redo nails on my left hand, so I'm about to have a new holiday nail art coming up. Hello guys, this is Anastasia. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Here we have these small cones. This is so cute, it looks like a gift. Here have fun and colorful nail journey starts here. Wow, I feel like I'm opening up a Christmas gift or something. Well, yeah, it does look exactly like it. Take a look at this cute bag. All right, what's inside? Oh, okay, here I have a reindeer, Santa's hat. Okay, here comes the nail goodies. So this looks like a clear button. And here has Santa. All right, so I can already see that we have some cute glitter stuff right there. So let's take a closer look. And this is all winter's theme, snowflakes. And we have this beautiful iridescent glitter. Oh, I think I know what it is. So it was a magnet and we can add these cute fluffy hearts on top. And then you can take them off every time you wish to wash your hands. Pink glitter, more glitter. This is like metallic square pink chrome decorations, more glitter. Of course, we definitely need it for the Christmas season. And these look like earrings. Okay, this is silicone mold in the shape of different Christmas stuff, such as gingerbread man or Christmas tree, and you can use it for gel, for acrylic or polygel. Like any product can work with it to create 3D Christmas themed nail art. And there's more underneath. Wow, so this was only the beginning. Okay, so here we have glitter. Then we have UV gel brush by Vettsy. Oh, I already have this one and it is great. You can use it to apply regular gel or solid cream gel polish as well. Oh my god, so these are rhinestones that you can install in nails, and they are all in Christmas colors: green, red, white, and a little bit of pink and golden. Then we have few kinds of stickers, also winter themed. Wow. Okay, we also have gel nail strips. We have green flowers and silver ones. We have some foil. This one is like hollow flames. This one is cheetah print with roses on them. Different colorful leaves. Okay, this is fall theme and I really wanted to have this kind of decorations to create inlay design. So finally I have them in different colors. I think this is a chrome powder that comes with an applicator to apply it. We also have some kind of gel. Wow, look at this color. Oh no, it wants to come out. Okay, so this color is pretty. On the left you can see light reflective green gel polish. By the way, it looks much better when it's darker. And then we have two gels that are super shiny. One is golden and another one is like darker gold color. Now let's take a look at solid gel polish. They come in a jar of 5 grams and I have to say that this is quite a volume for solid gel polish. This metallic seal they have on top is super easy to open. I have to admit this was one of the easiest unpackings I've ever had. I already tried Vettsy solid cream gel polish a while ago. I will leave the link to this video in the upper right corner. And what I remember is that they had an amazing coverage. And these colors feel the same. So this is number 14, Night Dream. Classic black color, and this was just one coat. And then I realized I probably took too much. I could use less product. Let's try another color, which is number 15, and this one is bright white. This kit includes 2 different types of white. This one is bright white, and then there is another one which is a bit transparent and more like milky white. But these 2, black and white, are definitely must-haves because it's possible to apply it super thin, which for me is exactly what I need for a background for different kinds of nail art.
All these colors were mostly holiday themed, like golden, silver, red and green, and they all have an awesome coverage with one coat, except for the flaky golden one. With this one you may need whether one coat if you want to keep it transparent, or two coats if you would like to have the nail that is fully covered with golden flakes. Just take a look at the amount of goodies you will get in this gift box. Now it's time to do a makeover for my left hand. I have gel polish overlay, and every time I do short nails, like a natural nail overlay on top of my nails, after 1 or 2 weeks I start missing long nails. So obviously we're doing long extensions for myself this time. Let's do the product removal. The holiday box that I was just unpacking contains a lot of Christmas items. But since the Christmas is right around the corner, unfortunately they cannot be shipped before Christmas. So if you will order the same box, the Christmas items will be replaced by items for New Year and spring. Then I proceed to dry manicure using electric nail file and flame-shaped diamond bead. You've seen how many cool items and nail art accessories we had in this gift box, so you can imagine how hard it was to decide which ones I'm going to use. This is my hand ready for the application, and this is glitter I'm going to use and some hard gel. How can we do Christmas nails without using some glitter? So I decided to mix it with builder gel. However, this gel is not transparent, so the glitter will not be see-through. I will apply this shiny part only on the free edge of the nail, so we will be able to see all this shine on the underside of the nail. Creating this kind of mix is so satisfying. By the way, I intentionally added too much glitter because I'm not going to build the entire nail out of it, only the part on the free edge. And I'm going to do almond shape. So I feed the form, apply dehydrator and non-acid primer, and then I will need to apply base coat and cure it in LED for 30 seconds. Like I said, it was hard to decide what I'm going to use because I like all this glitter and snowflakes, so first I felt like doing some kind of inlay design. But remember, we also have this cool mold for 3D nail art that we can add on top. So then I thought I will be doing just regular nails with a little bit of glitter, and then we will be doing these 3D accessories on top. So I created the free edge with glitter and gel. I'm going to build the rest of the nail using gel only. To do this, I apply a thin layer first and do not cure it. And then I take more, and starting from the cuticle area, I'm going to build the apex and the cuticle area. When working with medium consistency gels, make sure they're not running too close to your sidewalls, otherwise the nails are going to look bulky. But if it happened, you can carefully clean it and then turn your hand around, so all the product will go in the center, exactly where you need it. I feel so happy that I will have long nails again. And then we cure it for 1 minute in LED lamp and proceed. I will be doing the same shape and style on all nails for now, building the free edge with glitter and gel and building the rest of the nails with pink gel. After curing, we need to take off the forms and take off the sticky layer using alcohol and lint-free wipes. And then it's time to file and shape the nails. I was trying to make the shape as perfect as possible, but since we have so much glitter, we need to do some filing and shaping on the free edge. Since I added so much glitter into the gel, it actually feels a little harder to file it compared to gel only, but that's okay since we have gel on top, so mostly these nails are built from gel only. And as usual, I will be having my favorite almond shape. This is what this set now looks like. Nude pink from the top and glitter from the other side, but we need to seal it with a top coat too. Let's do the 3D accessories fun part. I decided to do gingerbread man and Christmas tree. But this nude color is kind of light, so I'm adding a little bit of brown to make it darker, because I think these gingerbread cookies look a little darker. And by the way, you can mix all these colors together if you would like to get another one. You can mix them just to apply them on the nail as one color application, and you can do this for nail art as well. Then I'm going to take the mold, and you can use metallic spatula, you can use the brush, whatever feels comfortable to you, and apply it right in the mold. If you accidentally put some gel outside of the mold, do not worry, it's super easy to clean it. But I recommend you to clean it before curing, because it will be much easier to do this. This solid cream gel polish is super pigmented, so I think it will not make sense to fully fill this mold with brown color only. So I added a little bit, enough to have this brown color, and then I decided to add the rest with clear gel, because this way it's going to cure faster and I will not need to worry if some of the parts will not be fully cured inside. You don't really need to fill this mold all the way up unless you intentionally want a really thick 3D accessories. Normally we would be happy with just a thin one, so I filled it maybe only halfway, and I added some clear just to make sure that I have a smooth surface underneath to apply it on the nail. And the gingerbread man is ready. We only need to add some details to make it look like a gingerbread man. Let's do the Christmas tree. If you need to fill some small details with a different color, it is better to use a brush. So I'm using red to add the star on top, and then I freeze cured it for like 5 seconds because I want to make sure that it's not going to move. When I will add another color, then I use brown to make this bottom of the Christmas tree and freeze cure it again. And finally, I'm going to fill it with green color. Later, when we're going to add these 3D accessories on top of the nails, we don't really want them to be super 3D, right? We want them to take the shape of the nail. So the better way to do this is do not fully cure them right now. So I filled it a little bit with clear and I cured it maybe for like 20 seconds, and it is not fully cured yet. But then when I add it on top of the nail, I'm going to squeeze it a little bit. So I will fold it according to the curve of the nail, and it is going to be located there just perfect, and then we will fully cure it on top of the nail. There was another color that caught my attention, this dark red, and this color is so holiday, so Christmas. Of course, I had to use it. So I'm applying this color on top of my nail, and by the way, since we have a pink color underneath, it looks pretty good, but I think we still need the second coat to make it even more shiny. Then I will need a nude background for another 2 nails, where I will be adding some stickers as the background, and also we will be adding these 3D accessories. And there was another color that I just couldn't stop looking at, and now I will show you in a slightly darker light so you will see it. And this is light reflective green gel polish, and this one is also so Christmas. I think it's just perfect for Christmas time or any other time as well. Look how gorgeous it looks in the dark with a flashlight on. It also looks very pretty near the Christmas lights. Color application is finished, and now I'm going to seal it with a glossy top coat. I will not be doing any design on green or red nail because it already looks pretty, but we need to add some on our nude nails. I will be using these Christmas stickers. By the way, they're super easy to use. You only need to separate it from the paper and apply it right on top of the nail. By the way, I didn't seal these nude nails with a glossy top coat yet, because it is better to seal the stickers underneath. And then using orange wood stick, I make sure that I do not have any bubbles inside. Remember these beautiful golden flakes gels? I'm going to use them to add some glitter on top because I think it's going to look better this way. I think this composition looks more complete when we add some glitter, but do not add too much because remember we already have some 3D accessories we need to add. I will do the same on this nail because these snowflakes look kind of lonely when it is there just by itself. And then I'm going to seal it with a glossy top coat because we need to have the finished look of the nails. But to make sure that this 3D accessory will last, I'm going to file only this part where I will add it. I will be using solid glue, and this one is by Vettsy as well. By the way, I got this one in my previous box. Or you can use the builder gel as well to secure 3D accessories. And then I add the gingerbread man on top, and I use the swatch tip to make sure that it's mimicking the curve of the nail, and cure it like this for 1 minute in LED. Now we have a 3D design on top, and all we need to do is to add some details, such as these lines to add the face of the gingerbread man as well as the buttons. I prefer to have these 3D accessories on top matte, and to do this you can rather take off the sticky layer from the color and just leave it like this, or you can seal it with a matte top coat, or if you prefer the glossy look you can also seal it with a glossy top coat. I'm using this Striper golden gel to add some lights on the Christmas tree, and finally I have thumb. Remember, we do not have any design here yet, and I will be using this snowflake which appeared to be a spinner. How cool is that? So I cure it like this for 1 minute in LED, and then I have this beautiful spinning snowflake on my thumb. I am super happy with my new holiday themed set. What do you think, guys? And which design, because I think we combined so many designs in just one, did you like the most? I think my favorite one is Spinner and Gingerbread Man. Thank you so much for watching. The links to these products will be in the description box. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing, as I post new tutorials and product reviews, just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye!